A wonderful atmosphere, wonderful boats, and I'm happy to be here.
It's a boat show which is always at the end of the season or just the beginning of the end of the season, so people are still hot in terms of the memory of the boat business, and they want to maybe to purchase the boat. It's the right moment. It's a lovely place, and we have a very international clients who are coming from all around the world. So for sure, Cannes is one of the most important boat shows to consider in Europe.
We have more than 10-year experience with the Cannes Boat Show and a very positive reaction, and that's also the reason why we stay here each year. There's a lot of visitors, very interesting visitors, and also potential clients. And the organization is well done.
For Cannes Boat Show, I would say the place to see and to test the boats and all the accessories. That's the Cannes.